here are the citrus. I have a lemon lime, a lemon and a lime, two separate trees. And kumquat. This is the gardenia. Yeah, gardenia. And that's the arborvitae that just fell over. So I just stuck it in here. Didn't feel like putting it back in the ground just yet. And look at my ginger. Oh wow. Oh no, this is not a ginger. This is celery. I just cut off the bottom and stuck it in dirt. Look at that. Wow. I don't know, that looks icky. Do I get rid of that? Yeah, so that's my celery. And this is my lime. New growth. Going to do that because I don't like the cold at all. Trying to keep the roots protected. As long as the roots don't freeze over, it'll be fine. Okay, so this is gardenia. Is doing real well. Look how this is growing. This guy, yeah, you look like you're gonna, you know, there's some green in there. Yep, some life in there, but yeah. And hostas. So the hostas, of course, they're going to, everything above ground is going to die, and then they'll come back. Wow, I'm kind of pleased. The dapple willow over here is doing good. Now this, I just stuck it in here because it was attached to the silver maple that I brought from Florida. So it is. It was in my sister's yard. And it just kind of latched on. It looks like it's trying to bud something. Isn't that interesting? Well, maybe I'll give it some food. It looks like it wants to push out something. And my fern. Rid of some of the dead. should put the lid back on it. ground leaves. Take the leaves off of the hosta. For the most part, things are looking good. I think better than I expected, really. Oh, wow. There are buds on the kumquat. See that? Oh no, that's the lemon tree. So we got buds on the lemon and the kumquat. Nothing on the lime, but that's okay. They're all looking good, considering it is winter here. She's back. Alrighty. Alrighty then. Research. I'm gonna check some videos and see what they're saying. Oh, this is all right. Ew. Let me get right off. Nasty. Okay, got it in the celery in a new pot, bigger pot, a real pot, and we're gonna cover it back up since it seemed to like that so much. Keep the humidity in there. What's going on here? It's funny how some things you don't recognize after a minute. Gotta start putting the tags in there. Get better at that. All right, we're done with this greenhouse. I'm gonna zip it back up. And done for the day. And I hope you guys heard me talking. I left that silly mic in the house. Gotta get used to that.